Well, we're going to have some fun operating on the Cumberland West Railroad, but first a little bit of an introduction. The Cumberland West is a model of the Baltimore and Ohio and Western Maryland railroads in the vicinity of Cumberland, Maryland in the year 1953. The bulk of the layout represents the track in the city of Cumberland and the routes to the southwest. Both railroads had major mainline junctions in Cumberland. B&O trains, Baltimore and Ohio trains, from the east are routed either northwest on the Pittsburgh Division or west over the West End sub to Grafton, while Western Maryland trains from the east are routed northwest towards Conneysville or southwest on the Thomas sub to Elkins. The Baltimore and Ohio and Western Maryland railroads were both major coal carriers, and over half the trains consist of a loaded or empty coal hopper. Operating sessions can feature either railroads running separately or in a joint session with both operating independently of each other, except for the interchanges and the minor tracking rights that are shared between the railroads. Ralph and I teamed up and we went to the dispatcher, and he gave us this dispatch card for Baltimore, Ohio 29, the St. Louis Express West. It's a mail and express train with a rider coach from New York to St. Louis. We picked up B&O 29 at the Brunswick staging portal. We blew the horn and whistle to confirm control.
Question is, how come we're stuck and haven't got clearance? There's our clearance. We finally got our clearance card. There it is. And the lights should turn green on our track, but that's not the correct terminology. What would be the correct terminology?
We got a correct signal.
Correct signal. Okay.
So now we just went over the gap. We got colder.
So what city is this? Cumberland. And
we're heading up the grade. We're heading up to Kaiser.
Kaiser. We're going to Kaiser. We're at prototypical speed of?
Oh, that's about 27 miles an hour.
This 27 miles an hour.
All right.
So we're heading towards another cautionary light. Is that what that means? Still clear. Tower. Got a red light up here.
The B&O has 4 touchscreen stations around the layout, which can display one or more tower panels. The tower displays show the track plan of the interlocking. The tower operator communicates with the dispatcher by telephone and on his direction controls the switches and the signals and then issues train orders to the crews.
train number 29, and we have a red light, and we need to go to Kaiser Station.
Yes, line you up.
Can you help us out?
Another 4 cars. All right. 4 or 5 cars. Get you out this crossover.
So we're going to have to request a clearance card too? No.
And you're clear. All right, John, you got that crossover.
All right, thanks.
You have to work with me.
Tell me about it.
So are you, when you push that button, what is it you're...
So I'm coding to get the signals. The signals are showing red, but I'm trying to get the switches to show back.
Okay.
Which is correct. Okay, here we go. No, that's not what I want.
So this simulates like an interlocking tower, right?
That's correct.
So when you say coding,
It's sending the signal. It's sending its code to the signal.
okay,
And so this actually throws the switch. This throws the signal. So I can throw a switch.
okay,
Line it for whatever to hold you until I'm ready to let you out.
right.
And
Then you can release it. Okay, gotcha.
you've already got that one. So
Okay, all the lights are green.
no. Now you're good.
Okay,
You have an approach to the station.
okay. We have green light. We don't need a clearance card, or we do?
No, I don't believe. Stops on the main for 5 minutes.
Okay,
No, you do not. I don't give you a clearance. You have everything you're supposed to have.
okay, we're all good to
But
go.
you don't have a clear.
Okay.
You have an approach.
Approach. Okay.
OS Mackenzie. OSBO 29 at 5:01 p.m.
Okay, so you just called ahead to let him know the train's coming? Is that right? I guess?
No, I let him. You passed Mackenzie Tower. Now I'll OS you with Kaiser
Ah, okay.
at 5:03.
What is OSU? That means a head over? Off the sheet. Off the sheet, okay.
On sheet.
Or
On sheet.
on sheet?
On sheet.
Okay. On the sheet.
OS Kaiser.
Okay.
And what I do, stop the passenger train in front of the deck.
Ah,
The loading.
okay.
5:03 p.m. And you have a 5-minute station stop. Or GRC East.
Okay, there we go.
7614.
Alright, you can pull on down as far as
Yeah, you've done your 5-minute station stop. BH3. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
We cleared him.
It's lining by easier. It's lining up one faster. Okay.
This is 2.34, so
Oh, we're going already?
Well, no, it's not going on.
I'm looking. I don't see. It's caution.
flashing says you've still got control.
It's yellow.
Well, that's permissive.
Permissive.
You
huh?
know, it's
Just goes.
basically highball right now.
Okay.
9066.
So how come we didn't have to get a clearance card?
Well, we already have.
Oh, clearance to go
You know,
to.
we're a first class train, we have the permissive signal, and then we run up all the way to the top up to Oakland,
Okay.
and I'll have to check the car cards up there and see if we have anything.
Okay. Oops, that's okay.
Now it's come up down one. I have a restriction right now. No, I've got a red. Okay, can I do a red stop and go? We do number 7. I just walked in the door. Do a stop and go. Excuse me, gentlemen.
Problem. Train number 29, Oakland switch is switched to the wrong position. So we derailed and we need to call out the troops. Switched wrong.
I see that, but I also see a red signal there, so why did we go through it?
Oh, well, we came to a screeching halt, but maybe
I'll
not.
deal with that one after it's dealing with this over here.
Okay, buildings that have been cut up so that they're all uneven. That's much better, much better. Fixed us, so now we can proceed with the green light. Which is now red. So it senses when we pass it?
Yeah, as soon as we get through the gap.
There's an optical sensor or
Electrical. It's a electronic sensor.
So now we're going to stop for the passengers at for 5 minutes. Is that right?
That's correct.
So much fun. Okay. So we'll be back in 5. Stay tuned. Question, Terra Alta, is that yours?
Yeah.
We're train number 29. We just stopped for 5 minutes at the station prior to Terra Alta.
Okay, great.
And we're working our way out.
It's the guy who actually
So that's going westbound, right?
Yep.
All right, we're ready to bring it in.
Are we clear? Okay. Yep. Cool. Okay.
Lights are green and
Yeah. So this is like a helix. Fancy helix. So we're now at Terra Alta, staying here for 5 minutes. 5 minutes?
And then, of course, you did the painting on the back wall, and that's forced perspective.
Yeah.
And you can see that where the fog starts to fit into the hill.
Right.
The mountains are smaller back there, but it's framed in such a way by the beam to make it look even further. It's not that far back,
Yeah, no. But it looks pretty far.
but it looks far. Yeah.
Did you dispatch?
Not yet, we're not done.
Huh?
We're not done yet.
No, the local number.
Yeah.
Okay.
66. You're sure that the block is occupied?
What do you need?
Oh, I need to go into the evidence yard.
No, it's a locomotive.
Remember you threw the crossover?
Oh, so you need the crossover cleared now?
By the way, you have a tree? Yes. Richard, can I push you set that engine lead?
These are Cumberland Station Railway Express Speedway.
Will be switched to. Advantage and tallness.
That's my BA-22, so that guy needs to get over to Edwards Yard. Okay. And then the other two that are up there go
Which
Even though the throttle was off.
Right.
He expressed himself.
I was telling you, you're going to see it stop and connect signal, but you should have dropped the red.
This should have, but it's,
Yeah.
you know, it didn't.